there, welcome back to MacCustoms. Today I'm just over here at our fire pit. This is the rock fire pit that we built just out of the rocks that got dropped off in the load of fill there. So our plan for today is to hopefully get this fire going. I'm not very good at making fires, but my plan is to get the fire going, get a nice big rim full of hot coals, and we are going to cook supper over the campfire tonight. We have a roast that we took out, which is defrosting right now inside. That, of course, is from one of the pigs that we raised just out back here. We're going to take you in the house once we're getting ready to prepare that. Hopefully by this evening, we're going to have a delicious roast cooked over the campfire. So my biggest thing right now is just getting this fire going so that I can get some good logs on. We had cut down some apple trees over the last couple of days. Well, not really cut them down, but trim them up, clean them up for the winter. So we saved all of the clippings there, and we're going to use the apple trees to cook this tonight. Yeah, I'm not very good at building fires, so I wasn't sure if it was ready to have a bunch of bigger stuff dumped onto it yet. Basically now, guys, what I'm going to do is just let this kind of burn. We'll be out and around the yard. We'll keep putting wood on it and that. Guys, we appreciate you stopping by. If you could hit subscribe, leave us a comment, like the video, share it with anyone that may be interested. That, of course, helps our channel grow. Whew. That nice big nice big basil smoke there. You don't want to jump up there, chicken. Fire's out there burning, getting all the ash in the fire pit for us. What we're going to do is get our vegetables and our pork ready. So what I did earlier, if you can see here, I just diced up the potatoes, some carrots from the garden, some onions, garlic as well. So we used everything fresh from our garden. I put a little bit of olive oil in there, mixed them up, and I put some Montreal steak spice and a little bit of Italian seasoning in there. We're just going to wrap this up in tin foil and throw that on the fire as well. Here's our cut of pork that we're going to put our seasoning on. For this we chose brown sugar and salt, just a nice mixture. I have about 1 cup of brown sugar and a tablespoon of salt roughly. So we're just going to take this and just cover it right over just like a spread. Now this is the first time we're trying it this way. Of course the first time we're cooking it over the fire, but the first time we're using this as a marinade, well, marinator seasoning if you will. You can see it's already soaking in. It looks really good. The most important part, I think, is going to be wrapping it up in the tin foil. We want to make sure that it's really, really tight so that none of the juices end up coming out. We want to lock everything in there. gonna get all the edges, all where the fat cuts are, because they taste so good when they're cooked right. Okay, I'm just gonna give that a couple minutes. Might as well put what's left in the bowl in there. I'm just going to let that sit for a minute or two, basically just while I wash my hands and get the tin foil cut and get ready for the next step. Just give it a couple seconds to soak in. I'm just going to let them sit for a couple of minutes. I'm going to take you guys outside. We're going to check on the fire and go from there.
It's been about 4 hours now. I loaded it basically up with as much wood as I could so that I could get a nice bed of coals. And anyways, I got pretty well filled this with coals. Threw this piece of metal over it just to get it to make coals better instead of just burning up. And, I think I got enough coals in there, so I'm just going to pick off some of these bigger logs and get ready to put the food on. Yeah, so that's what we got here. Lots of nice hot coals right down to the bottom. I'm just gonna dig a hole and bury that roast down in there and cover it back over. Yeah, just see how it goes. We don't know what we're doing, so see what happens. Anyways, I'm gonna go get a bucket and put some of this aside. I think you'll be able to like this, just like barbecue charcoal, and when we do something like that, I guess the hookups is hot shit.
We have a roasted chicken too if you don't get in there. Come on.
Just stirring it up. I think you want to get rid of some of the black stuff. I don't really know, but you can see there's a lot of like coal dust when I stir it, so it goes away pretty quick with a stir.
We're just making this up as we go.
Yeah.
Looks like you've been digging out the pond while you've been out here.
Yeah, I've been cleaning this up while I was having my fire here. Putting my extra here where it was a low spot. It's coming along pretty good. Probably made a lot more charcoal than I needed. Now we know, I guess. We got roast on the bottom and vegetables. You know. She's fucking hot.
We don't really know how long it's going to take, so.
Yeah, we're going to take her out in an hour, I guess, and see where to go from there. She's hot.
It'll be interesting to see. I mean, I guess absolute worst case, we waste the roast. But
Yeah, that's it.
best case, it's going to be a really probably delicious tasting roast. So you got her really buried in there.
I think you want to really bury it, or else the oxygen is getting a burn. Hey guys, we got some nice thick cut bacon from our pigs here. I'm just gonna hook it on top of the fire here while we got that roast cooking. See if we can get some smoke on it and try it out tomorrow for breakfast. Anyways, we'll see what happens with that, I guess. Once this dies down, I get some more smoke, I'll move it over. I don't want to cook it, I just want to flavor the meat. For about 45 minutes, we got the roast buried now, and don't really know how long it takes, so we're just going to let it go for an hour and pull it out. And yeah, so we'll let this smoke while we're cooking here and see how it all turns out, I guess. You guys, so I pulled 2 logs off the fire here, and I got them near this little bacon sheet, which has holes in it. I guess it's a broiler sheet, I guess. Anyways, I'm going to put this over the top just to catch the smoke a little bit. See how she goes. So we're just about to dig up, hopefully, some supper. Yeah, here to say, she's hot in there. It's been in there for an hour. It's a pork roast, probably, I don't know, a couple inches thick. And then on the side here, I got this Hillbilly smoker going. I got some bacon in there for breakfast.
Oh, it's hot.
I'd say she's hot, yeah. I just got a whiff of it there. It smelled good. Some vegetables. We got the roast.
How did the vegetables feel? Pretty soft?
The vegetables felt nice and soft. It's hard to say. Just take them in and open them up. Smoking the bacon in here.
I can't wait to try that.
Definitely pretty simple setup by a campfire. Just those are.
And really,
this is all apple wood that I'm burning here. Cut it down in the yard. Raise this pig in the yard.
all the vegetables we grew. Garlic.
Grew all these vegetables that we're having in the yard too. She's all puffed up. Good.
What do you think? Take it in the house and check it?
Yeah, we'll take it in the house, yeah.
And then if not, we'll just have to
I'm going to try and catch some of these and put them in this bucket so I can Save some charcoal. Let's say the bacon, we just let her keep rocking for a bit, or?
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
I'm thinking.
We might have to come back out to cook this more too, so I wouldn't get too excited and think we're done for the night.
Yeah, it'd be nice to have some sort of cover so I could. Anyways, we'll deal with that as it goes. Hey guys, we're here with Barker. We're gonna open up our roast and see how we did. Smells good. Definitely nice and cooked all the way through.
It smells so good.
Barker's down there waiting. I think I'm going to take it back out for 10 minutes and put it on my Hillbilly smoker and take my bacon in and start cooking. I don't know. Fucking fox will be by. Hey guys, this is that bacon I had out there. It looks good. Smells. Definitely smells smoked. Yeah, no, it definitely smells awesome. Can't wait to try it in the morning. We just come back in. We had this out smoking over the fire. And anyways, now we're just going to give it a try. Definitely smells smoked.
Smells really good.
Yeah.
Well, I'm definitely going to call that successful.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that.
So the hour was roughly long enough.
I'm thinking so. You could probably...
Maybe another 10 minutes or something.
If it wasn't dark so early, I probably would have seared it above the fire or something, but she's definitely cooked in an hour.
Alright, well, I think it's time to call this supper time, and we'll probably pick the video up tomorrow. We'll see how the bacon turned out.
Yeah, for sure.
Smelled really good, so we'll catch you in the morning. Good morning, guys. So, we are making some breakfast here. We have fresh eggs from the chickens out back. And there is the bacon that we had smoked last night while we were having our roast. It smells so good. It looks so good. I'm pretty excited to try it. So yeah, we're just gonna get breakfast cooked up. We'll let you know how it turned out. And yeah, other than that, we just want to thank you guys so much for stopping by, and we hope this inspired you guys to make some campfire pork.
Yep, that's good bacon. Definitely smoked.
Worth it.
Definitely worth it.